Hello, welcome to the intermediate guide to how to make a sprite. I'm your host, Blue Beast, and if you haven't checked it out, there is the beginner's tutorial on how to edit your own sprite. So I'm just making it up on the way as I go. So try to bear with me. Well, on the intermediate guide, I'm going to teach you two things. One, which is modifying, and the other one is transforming. Modifying is pretty simple, but I'm not that good with modifying. That's what I call it, okay? Uh, so I would consider. So let's just start with modifying first. Always make a copy. So Control C, Control V. That's copy and paste. V is paste. So then after you cut out the parts of the sprite which you want to modify. I mean, that you don't want to modify. So in this case, I'm using Mega Man sprite, and I'm gonna modify his Mega Buster. Let's just say if I want to turn it into a hand, you don't always want to use the same outline on every single part. It will just make it look pretty bad. So as you can see, I'm not using the dark blue outline for this part. I'm just using the normal one, just a normal shading color. So it turns out much better. Yep, and this should do. And now the second step, transforming. That is where you would have to forget everything from modifying pretty much. So let's just say if, oh man, I forgot to make a copy. Well, I'm just gonna reform his Mega Buster a little. So you want to get every single part of the body to be separated. Yep. Now that I got these ones, I want to have his Mega Man's head as its own thing, just to make it a bit easier. I'm gonna turn it into Solid Snake. That's what I'm gonna do. So now you want to find a picture of Solid Snake. So I'm just gonna have a little picture so it doesn't get too much in the way. So I'm just gonna print screen this, go back to paint, cut out the one I want. Going on, now we will edit color, go for a brighter tone. Time for Mega Man's head. Want to turn it into Solid Snake's head. So we'll first begin with the bandana. Okay, grab your outline color over here. So it's above his eyes, we'll put it right over here. You have to guess your shape from here. And then we'll make the bandana stretch longer now. Randomly draw some shape. Doesn't even matter how you draw it. Let's just say this kind of shape I want to make. Now you slowly edit out the part which you think it's look ugly or just doesn't really add anything to it. You can use other tools. Let's just say this is not what I want. I just use that curvy tool, go all the way down here. Try to just make some outlining color uneven. So let's just say meet halfway over here, and then it'll look better than usual. Because it doesn't look like it's too repetitive on one color. Usually I just go checkerboard in here because that kind of gives the illusion, and then add a second outline color just to make the hair look a bit better. Yep, I think it's turning out pretty nicely in my opinion. Oh wait, he has a beard. Let's give him a beard. So beard and moustache, you don't ever really want the too dark of a colors. So from here, so that's where the second outline color comes into good use. Usually, let's just say the arms. Of course, Snake doesn't have a buster, so what you can do is just delete it, reform some of his arms, copy and paste, then go flip, rotate. I don't know, now I'm just experimenting. Yep. And then usually you just have to edit just a bit of it and it will be done. So first we'll take away that jetpack because he doesn't have a jetpack. Sometimes you can't even tell the pixels. Maybe you would see it yourself, but most people don't see it. Now let's just join all these pieces together. Yep, and here we go. We got a solid snake. And that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to watch the advanced guide once it's out, because it's going to teach you something different as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.